fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. And what better way to start off your festivities with a wonderful, refreshing, cooling, hydrating salsa. Salsa, not the dance, right, Ian?
No? Okay, well, that's right. That's a salsa type.
Ah, Ian. But that's not what we're doing here.
Oh, okay. All right.
So I love watermelon, and so does Ian. And so we have watermelon, so we're going to have a watermelon salsa. Okay, so Ian now is going to put his watermelon in. Now, guys, grilled chicken, because I wanted that protein, it's optional. Listen, my vegans, my vegetarian, you guys can do this. You guys can have this. You don't have to put any meat in it if you don't want. As a matter of fact, act like it's not here. See? Woo, not here. But for us, it's going to be here today.
Usually I corner, but since the watermelon is my base,
yeah,
I don't want to go.
That's fine.
Okay, just give it all a little.
This is our scallions. Now he's putting. And he's going to pass me this. Oh, well, we're going to add a little love.
Yes, please, a little love.
A little love. So, you know, these are our children.
How much love was here?
Let's do one love, Ian.
One?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, of course, salt brings out the sweetness of the watermelon. And you're going to do half a love.
Half a love?
Black pepper, yeah. So you see how you can kind of mix that sweet and savory? And I'm going to need that for a quick second so I can zest this. And I'm going to need my knife here. So just see how this is able to come up. You see, guys? How the zest is coming up? Because we had it frozen.
I like that. That's kind of neat to learn. That's something that I would never
Because a lot of people, when they zest their things, you know, it ends up just staying on the blade.
Right. And
they don't really get the zest because it all stayed on the blade. So this is a nice way to kind of let it come up. And so just because we need the juice, it's not, you know, we needed the zest for this, but we need the blade. I mean, we need the zest for this. We just need the juice. So with that said, we don't have to have the skin on because the skin is going to go in here. And it's going to be so refreshing. See? It's all here. And so we can put it all right here. See how that's coming out?
Oh, neat.
Kind of scraping it in here. All right. So now I'm just going to cut the lime up.
Okay.
And then we're going to let you mix it up.
Okay.
Well, E, now it's time for you to do your
My little
thing.
Shake and bake here?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to start doing the shake and bake. Oof.
Oh my God.
See the colorations? That's intense. Seriously.
I'm so sorry you can't eat any E.
I know.
But don't worry, I'm going to eat it for you.
Yes, you are.
And the rest of the crew will eat it for you.
Yes.
Well. Look at this refreshing watermelon salsa. Here to quench your thirst and being enjoyable to your palate. Well, E?
Yes.
I know you can't really eat, but you can smell and describe it to the people. You know, you can share this with maybe some of your friends later.
Yeah, of course. Without a doubt.
But I'm going to eat for you.
You go ahead. Bon appetit, my love.
Oh, thank you, E.
Okay. Enjoy.
Okay, guys. So here's the scoop.
Mom, you did a great job with
Smells
these.
beautiful, right?
Yeah, it really does. This smells.
You got crunch, guys?
This is refreshing.
Oh my God. You hear the crunch?
Yeah, crunching away.
That was the corn one. Here's the flour one. Watermelon, guys. The chicken, the peppers. So good.
All the colors. That's very nutrient too, right, Mom? Everything, all these nutrients in here.
A burst of flavor. Let me tell you, this watermelon, you know, as soon as you take that first bite, that juice of the watermelon just bursts in your mouth. And then you taste the freshness of the bell pepper. And then you get that savoriness from the chicken, that grilled, that, you know, when something tastes grilled but subtle, you get that grilled taste from this. And then you get a little tiny, when I mean really tiny, like a little speck kick of the jalapeno. So if you like things really hot and spicy, leave your seeds and cut the whole jalapeno. I took the seeds out because I didn't think my friend Ian would still be hurting, wouldn't be able to eat. So I took it out for him, and I only did half. But here, Ian.
Tell me.
I'm loving every bite.
Love to hear that.
This is so good. The chips, amazing. So easy to do. Fairly inexpensive. Do this, guys. There's some leftover grilled chicken I had. If you don't have, or you don't want to put any meat, you don't have to. Listen, you could even use canned chicken if that's what you have at home, if you want to put meat in it, because it's shredded. But like I said, nothing at all for my vegans and vegetarians. Use it just like this.
Don't need it.
Vegans, vegetarian, use your vegan butter. Melt your vegan butter. I had the real butter, of course, to put on my chips, but use that instead if that makes you happier. This is a must try. This is a quick snack. This is a quick appetizer. It takes no time. The time that you'll spend the most, honestly, is in making your chips, and they don't take that long. You know, and you can cut them to any shape that you want. I did circles and like little scoops, and like flat circles. You can make them into like Dorito style triangle shape, however you feel, however you want.
Mama, this would be a great pool party or beach
Absolutely,
party
Ian.
type of spread to have out for everybody. Refreshing.
Right, because you're at the pool with the water getting cooled off, or the beach, and then you have this on a hot summer day with that watermelon and the mint, the freshness of this, and the bell peppers and the lime juice kicking. Oh my gosh. And you still taste the sweetness, but at the same time, you have a little tiny tartness of it as well. So it's not overly sweet, but it's still sweet. And it's not, you know, totally sour or, you know, salty and savory. It's a must try. Here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you give us a virtual hug, it lets us know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out for you. And we want to continue to do that for you. So hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. We're so happy that you joined us today to eat virtually with us, the way Ian is eating virtually. So you see, he's joining you today.
I'm right with you guys today. Just sitting back watching Mama.
But you guys can eat realistically if you try to make this. So comment below and let me know if you made this, or you did something different, you omitted something, or you added something. Would love to hear from you.
Yes, we would.
We thank you again for hanging out. We love you guys.